Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got an important topic on the agenda: how to detox your liver for a healthier and happier you. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable health tips. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is a liver detox and why is it important? The liver is a powerhouse organ that works tirelessly to filter toxins from our blood. Over time, it can accumulate toxins due to various factors like poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, and environmental pollutants. A liver detox is a way to support and enhance the liver's natural cleansing processes. So, how do you know if your liver might benefit from a detox? Look out for signs like fatigue, digestive issues, skin problems, and unexplained weight gain. These could be indicators that your liver might be under stress. So, how to naturally detox your liver? Number 1. Hydration is key. Hydration is a fundamental aspect of supporting liver detoxification, playing a crucial role in the body's natural cleansing processes. The liver, a vital organ responsible for metabolizing and eliminating toxins, relies on an adequate intake of water to function optimally. Water is essential for the production of bile, a fluid produced by the liver that aids in the digestion and absorption of fats. When well hydrated, bile remains fluid and can efficiently transport toxins and waste products out of the body through the digestive system. Additionally, water supports the kidneys in filtering and removing waste products from the bloodstream, further alleviating the burden on the liver. Dehydration, on the other hand, can lead to a thicker, more concentrated bile, making it less effective in carrying out its detoxification functions. Therefore, maintaining proper hydration levels ensures that the liver can effectively process and eliminate toxins, contributing to overall liver health and the body's natural detoxification mechanisms. Number 2. Incorporate liver-friendly foods. The liver is responsible for metabolizing and detoxifying various substances, including toxins and waste products from the body. Consuming foods that support these processes can enhance the liver's efficiency. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds that stimulate liver enzymes involved in detoxification. Additionally, fruits rich in antioxidants such as berries and citrus fruits help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, which are key factors in maintaining liver health. Including foods high in fiber, like whole grains and legumes, supports digestion and helps the liver efficiently eliminate waste. Healthy fats from sources like avocados and olive oil provide essential nutrients for liver function. Turmeric, a spice with anti-inflammatory properties, can also be beneficial for liver health. Lastly, staying hydrated is essential for liver detoxification, as water helps flush out toxins through urine. Overall, a well-balanced diet rich in these liver-friendly foods can contribute to the liver's natural detoxification processes and promote long-term health. Number 3. Cut down on processed foods and sugar. Processed foods often contain high levels of additives, preservatives, and artificial substances that can burden the liver with the task of metabolizing and eliminating these chemicals. By cutting down on processed foods, the liver can redirect its energy towards its primary functions, such as breaking down toxins and aiding in digestion. Additionally, a diet high in added sugars, commonly found in processed foods and sugary beverages, can contribute to the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Excessive sugar consumption leads to the liver converting the excess sugar into fat, which can accumulate in the liver over time. By reducing sugar intake, the liver can focus on metabolizing stored fat and preventing the progression of liver-related issues. Choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains not only supports liver detoxification, but also provides essential nutrients that enhance overall well-being. Adopting a diet centered around natural, unprocessed foods is a proactive step towards maintaining a healthy liver and promoting optimal detoxification processes within the body. Number 4. Herbal teas and supplements. Herbal teas and supplements have gained popularity for their potential role in supporting liver detoxification, a crucial process for maintaining overall health. The liver plays a central role in detoxifying the body by processing and eliminating toxins. Certain herbs contain compounds that are believed to enhance this natural detoxification process. For instance, milk thistle is a well-known herb that has been used for centuries due to its active ingredient, silymarin. Silymarin is thought to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, supporting liver cell regeneration and protecting against damage. Dandelion root is another herb often included in liver detox formulations. It is believed to stimulate bile production, aiding in the digestion and elimination of toxins. Additionally, turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, potentially assisting the liver in its detoxification functions. While herbal teas like dandelion or chamomile are commonly consumed for their mild detoxifying properties, supplements containing concentrated herbal extracts are also available. Number 5. Exercise regularly. When we engage in regular physical activity, several positive effects contribute to the liver's detoxification functions. First and foremost, exercise stimulates blood circulation, enhancing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the liver cells. This increased blood flow facilitates the efficient removal of toxins and waste products from the bloodstream, promoting optimal liver function. Additionally, physical activity has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the liver. Chronic inflammation can impair liver function and contribute to the accumulation of toxins. By engaging in regular exercise, individuals can help mitigate inflammation, thus supporting the liver's detoxification processes. Moreover, exercise is linked to weight management and a reduction in excess body fat, which is crucial for liver health. Excess fat in the liver, known as fatty liver disease, can impede detoxification pathways. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of fatty liver and enhancing the liver's ability to function optimally. Number 6. Limit alcohol intake. When alcohol is consumed, it undergoes a complex process in the liver, where enzymes break it down into byproducts for excretion. However, excessive or chronic alcohol consumption can overwhelm the liver, leading to inflammation, fatty liver disease, and impaired detoxification. By limiting alcohol intake, individuals reduce the burden on the liver, allowing it to function more efficiently in processing other toxins and maintaining metabolic balance. This moderation enables the liver to prioritize its various functions, including the synthesis of essential proteins, regulation of glucose levels, and breakdown of fats. Furthermore, a reduction in alcohol consumption contributes to preventing the progression of liver diseases and supports the liver's ability to regenerate and repair damaged tissue. Number 7. Get quality sleep. Adequate and high-quality sleep plays a significant role in supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, particularly aiding in liver detoxification. The liver is a vital organ responsible for processing and eliminating toxins from the body. During sleep, the body undergoes various essential functions, including cell repair, hormone regulation, and detoxification. In the case of the liver, it works diligently during the night to metabolize and eliminate accumulated waste products and toxins. The glymphatic system, a network that clears waste from the brain, becomes more active during sleep, aiding in the removal of harmful substances. Moreover, sufficient sleep supports the liver in efficiently processing and breaking down toxins, promoting optimal liver function. Disrupted or insufficient sleep can compromise these processes, leading to the inadequate elimination of toxins and potentially contributing to liver issues over time. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to naturally detox your liver. Remember, these are general tips, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with any health topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you, and we will see you in our next video. Top of form.